Welcome to our tutorial on how to send your profile link on Twitter. In this video, we will walk you through the steps to easily share your profile link with others. To start, open the Twitter app on your Android device. Once you have the app open, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Next, tap on the Profile option to view your profile details. Once you are on your profile page, look for the ellipses, or three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on the ellipses and a menu will appear. From the options provided, select Share. This will give you the option to share your profile link with others. Now that you have selected Share, you can easily copy your profile link and share it with friends, family, or on other social media platforms. Simply follow the prompts to share your profile link through various channels. And that's it. You have successfully learned how to send your profile link on Twitter. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy sharing!